Hello, I'm Vani from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to know about features and model of our phone. For this, you need to go to settings and type phone on search bar. Later, you find the option about phone. Click on that icon and you can get everything about your phone, about your phone model and RAM, kernel version, everything. Complete software details of your phone can get with this feature. You can also get IMEI number of your phone by tapping this icon. You can get IMEI number of your phone and also IP address of your phone. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Here I am showing another option, that is CPU Jet. It's an app easily available on Play Store. If you can install this app, it gives you everything about your phone. Here I am showing what kind of information it shows: model, manufacturer, hardware, systems, as everything about your phone it shows. So install this app. It will give full knowledge of your phone, means about your phone software, hardware, kernel version, everything. And also it has another option, that is battery. You click on that, it shows your battery percentage, is phone is in charge or not, everything it shows. You can see here, you can see that level of battery and voltage, everything it shows. If you want more technical information and gaming related information, visit our site gossipfunda.com. It gives you plenty of information. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment below.